Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Falcon or Monarch. It might be Von Duprin as well, because they're all under the same umbrella. And Von Duprin has 6-digit part numbers. Regardless, it is a tailpiece guide for a rim cylinder. And this little tiny black piece of plastic inside that package, of which I've probably thrown out several metric tons of them. Without this, life is not easy. I've tried to install exit device trim with the rim cylinder attached to the cup, 2 screws that you've had to take time and cut down. You get that real expensive trim up on the door, and you know, what are you trying to do? You've got the inside of the door exit device. You're trying to bring all of this in, and what is your problem? Your problem is your tailpiece is hanging down, and you can't get it into the relatively tight hub assembly, which is in the shape of a plus sign. And when you insert this into the hub assembly, that widened height of the mouth is what's going to allow the tailpiece that is not straight, it's actually hanging down. I mean, that's exaggerated. It's not straight, it's hanging down a little bit so that it will catch that bottom lip and then drive in. That's simply what this is. That's all this does. Without it, I have done some exotic things to try to get that tailpiece in. I have had the trim on, I've clamped that to the door, I've brought the exit device, and I've tried to get something behind there to lift the tailpiece up, the whole 9 yards. Whoever's buying 7 of these at one time probably knows the pain with which I'm speaking. So that's all that this item does. Okay, you can use it. They indicate this as a 19 series part. A 19 series is a standard Monarch, and now Falcon, their standard entry-level exit device, which is a very good exit device, as a part under that series of devices. There's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page, and there are installation instructions mentioned down below. There is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Falcon parts that we sell, along with the link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. I'm partial to Falcon, which was Monarch, because I believe that they have good quality devices. They are probably, I think it would be fair to say that they are marketed as a option to their client base. Maybe Doormatic, Falcon, Von Duprin is probably how they market that. If a project is not going to call for, budget-wise, grade 1 Von Duprin exit devices, you might be able to make something work with grade 1 Falcon exit devices. And the reason that that's a good idea is because you might be able to make work with what you're dealing with, budget-wise, getting a very good device. But what you're getting is the same incredibly high caliber level of technical support and customer service that you would get from your Von Duprin, from your Schlage, from your LCN, your other Allegion properties. So the 3 pronged attack of being able for Allegion to bring to the market, Doormatic, Falcon, which was Monarch, and Von Duprin, all being driven by the same level of technical support and engineering capability, makes a pretty potent set of options. If you have any questions on the Falcon 600161 tailpiece guide assembly or any other Falcon product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.